Hello, my Youthphoria friends. My name's Jodie Bedford. I sent Shirley a little message to see whether it was okay for me to go live in her page with all of you. Let me just fix up my phone settings. Here we are. To show you how I apply my lashes. Now, I'm a makeup artist from the very sunny and tropical North Queensland. I'm in Townsville, so I'm used to the humidity. We're working with that a little bit, but I want to show you how I use these. Now, I am only brand new to magnetic lashes, so I'm not saying that I have all the answers or know all the things, but I'm willing to show you how I apply mine so that then hopefully it might give you some tips and tricks about how to apply yours. So now I only got mine this week. So I picked this duo, Dawn to Dusk, with Cinderella and Belle. Love them both, but I'm going to show you the Belle. I was really impressed with this particular one because I can wear my glasses with these and it doesn't actually touch my lenses, which is like unheard of if you've got bulging eyes like me and wear glasses. So this was like a winner for me. This is the Belle set. There we are. So tapered here in the center, and then that beautiful long dramatic wisp edge to it. So these are Belle, and I'm gonna show you how I apply mine. Now I got the black eyeliner, but I do understand that you can get different colors. I got black. So if you have trouble with liquid eyeliner, my suggestion is that you just do some little dots along here and then just color in really slowly, almost like just a dot to dot that we're used to do when we were kids, when we were learning. And that's exactly what we're doing here with this magnetic eyeliner. So I'm going to use a big mirror, but hopefully you can see just beside me here. I use it straight onto my lash line. And you can see I've already done my mascara, just a really quick coat of mascara, because I like having mascara on my lashes, on my own little lashes, before I put my magnetic ones on. Now hopefully you can still see this. Now Shirley's instructions were that we put on 2 to 3 layers of this, and quite thick layers. And let's do the middle. So you don't need to go too crazy. You can just go slowly. I do hold my breath a little when I do this. And if you're like me and you have hooded eyes, which means that we lose most of our eyelid real estate when our eyes are open, you can hold the lid up like this to do your eyeliner rather than pulling out to the side like I do, which is not great, but we do it anyway. We work with what we've got, right? What we've been given. So yes, if you lose most of yours and you've got a little bit of eye real estate here, feel free to lift that lid up and hold it there, or even just tape it there while you're doing your eyeliner, while we're trying to get it to dry. So, and now when I pull mine out, I always do sort of go round and round the rim of the eyeliner because I'm trying to get off as much as I can. I don't want really thick layers on my wand, and I do hold my breath a little, and you'll notice I stop talking a little when I'm trying to do my layers. But nice and tight along that lash line is where we want to be. Now I go and do my second eye while I wait for that one to dry. So we're going to do that again, go round and round the rim here to take off as much as I can. And then I do the same thing, start on the edge, on that outer third. I always check it, open my eye, have a look. Now, because like I said, I wear glasses, I like to get super close to my mirror so I can see. Now you want to make sure that your lashes fit your eyes as well. So if they're too long, cut a little piece off. So you don't want it hanging over, makes it harder to apply as well. Whoops, daisy. Just missed my tube. So I'm going to go in and put another coat on. So just take your time. You don't need to do your eyeliner all in one great big line. I'm just going to add a little bit more to this one, because I want it a little bit thicker in the middle here. Let me turn this off. There we are. I want it, my Facebook's having a lot of trouble today. I want it a little bit thicker in the middle here because I do need those magnets to stick there. There we are. Right. So while we've been doing each eye and having a bit of a chat, those have been drying. The glue there has been drying. So now I'm going to take these Belle eyelashes out of this absolutely fabulous packaging. And now I give mine a bit of a wiggle like this. I have bulging eyes. I have large eyes. So when I go like this, you can see here that my eyes are protruding a little bit from my face. So I do like to make sure that my lashes have a bit of a bow in them. They're not flat because my eyeballs aren't flat. And I hold in the center here, and I'm coming in from above my eyelashes to the center, and then I push it on. I take the wing and again push it on to the place where I want it to be. Give it a bit of a squeeze, and then the center. I've got it everywhere now. Now the center, do the same thing and push it on. And when I'm pushing this on, I'm also pushing my lashes into these so they sort of all blend in as one, which is what you do for normal strip lashes as well. But now they're on. How good is that? It does just make such a difference to an eye makeup look, doesn't it? Liner and mascara first, and then I put my lashes on next. All right, so the left eye. While we've been chatting and putting that on, they've had an opportunity to dry. Again, give it a bit of a wiggle. Start from the center. Actually, I'm going to use my other hand. Start from the center. Come in above your eyelashes. Line it up. And push them on. Sorry about blocking your view just here. Just like that. Now this one I just want to move a little. So to move, all you do is peel it off, stick it back on again. That's better. And again, give them a little like crimp almost. Done. Now I just want to touch up my little makeup a little in here. So what I'm looking at is that on this eye, now this is a makeup thing rather than my lashes, but on this eye here, you can see a little bit of the pink just there rather than on this eye where you can't. So I'm just going to pick up my pencil eyeliner and just color that in a little. Sorry, needed to blink. just in that little section there of my lashes, just to make the look even, because they're not going to be perfect all the time. My face is not symmetrical, you know, like one side of my face is more flat than the other, which is more rounded, which also doesn't help with my glasses. But we're not always going to be symmetrical. It's not always going to be the same. So if you do have products like that or a little area like that, you just fill it in to make them look the same. That's it. If that helps anybody, then I'm very happy about that. Do give them a little push into that magnetic liner just to get them to stay. Look at that. Yoink, yoink. We're there. Just to get them to stay. I have been wearing these all week and all day, all week, kind of wearing, and I even wore them to mow the lawn the other day. So they do, I've had no trouble with them in humidity in, you know, very tropical Townsville. So they've been on while I've done housework. I don't even really know that they're there. I don't feel them like I did with strip lashes. They are just fabulous. So I hope that helps somebody. But if you have questions or an area that is your biggest struggle when you're trying to put them on, please do let me know, and I'll do my best to help you. Otherwise, Shirley absolutely can. But yeah, we'll try our best to get you the best result that we can for you, even if it's trying to pick the right lashes to suit your face and your eye shape. That's certainly something that I do in my makeup group, is you know, like teaching them about eye makeup for particular eye shapes. And so I believe